Nebraska. So through 2014 or 15, they had this massive run up in land prices there, 100, 200% jump in prices. And then from 14 through 19, there was a 5-year downturn in prices. One, because there was heavy speculation. Two, because people in many parts of the state shouldn't have been buying farmland anyway, because it's sitting on an aquifer that's drying up. Something that, we wouldn't have pursued, wouldn't have even opened the file on.
Right.
But there was a lot of capital that came into the state very quickly.
Why?
So good returns was the big one.
It kind of fed the good returns, fed more returns kind of thing.
That's right. So the yields were really good for a number of years, even in the bad places.
Yeah.
And then commodity prices were really on a tear, through 2014. And so people were making hand over fist. So farmers were buying their neighbor's farm. Investors were coming in. More farmers were buying their neighbor's farm, which was really the big driver there. Mm-hmm. And so after this huge run up, you've since seen a bear market. And it's the best and most extreme isolated bear market that we can find in the data in the last 30 years in the U.S. I keep saying 30 years. It's because that's the time period through which we have the best
data
measuring stick and information. And I can go back to another bear market if you want to further delve into the.
Oh yeah, tell me, what was another one?
But I want to finish up on Nebraska.
Yeah, sorry, go ahead.
So 14 and 19, 5-year bear market, prices came down 17% in the end. Sorry if I script the numbers, but
yeah,
we're roughly on point. End to end, on a nominal basis, the investors still made money, because even though the prices of the land came down, you were running with no leverage, and on the other side, the farmer was still paying your rent check every year. Mm-hmm. So you had a cash yield in pocket. So you sell the land today at a 17% loss on principal on the core asset, mm-hmm. but you had made a 20% give or take on the cash rent, 4% over 5 years, and so end to end, you in that bear market still came out okay.
Yeah, it's so interesting.